Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl.
It's the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you walk, way that you, way that you talk.
Oh, what it do? Oh, what's up? Kayla, what's poppin', YouTube fam? What's good, y'all? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, okay? And we are back with another video. Get it, 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 get it. Alright, let me stop before I get kicked out. So today, y'all, we are back with another video. And in today's video, of course, we are talking about these mini twists because we are in the mini twist series, okay? So shout out to you guys for supporting your girl's video, the previous one, which was on how to install the mini twist. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go ahead and check it out, okay? Before we get into any more details of this video, if you have not joined the Curly Chris family, if you are not part of the fam, you need to go ahead and smash that button down below, okay? Smash the button down below. Why? Because I'm cute. That's it. You wanted more? That's it. I said enough. And I mean, of course, because like I kind of make videos that are really entertaining and fun, and we are lit on this channel, so I guess that would be a reason too as well. So yeah. So I also want to go ahead and announce the comment game winner for last week. And the winner of the comment game is Kayla Holmes. Kayla Holmes, shout out to you for supporting your girl consistently. I see you, sis, in my comment section down below. I see you. Go ahead and drop that Cash App in the comment section down below so sis can go ahead and Cash App you some money, okay? If you are not caught up, we have a comment game going on this channel where you keep on supporting sis in the comment section. Also by liking, subscribing, all that good stuff for the entire week consistently. And I'm going to go ahead and pick someone each and every week to Cash App some money to, okay? Also, quickly, thank you guys so much for your condolences on my grandmother. I really appreciate it. You guys have no clue how it made me feel to see that you guys really do care about me other than my hair. So I really do appreciate that. And y'all, we are even more so family now, okay? Thank you guys so much for that. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video. Alright guys, y'all probably be like, sis, why you like Chief Keef? Listen, okay? Don't come for me and I won't come for your lace front. Huh? You have nothing to say? Instantly got quiet. So I was kind of like wearing my hair half up, half down. So a lot of my twists were like, do this. They're like this. I need to be like that.
Why do we keep doing that? We're trying to straighten it down and keep going like whoop, like no, go do. It's doing it like my mama.
So I had to go ahead and put these on there so to go ahead and like flatten a little bit and back to its normal shape. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys all kind of styles. Cause I mean, you don't want to just wear them straight down, you know, like we're not going for the waka flocka. Like we're not going for that, okay? We're going for something a little bit more cute, you know? Switch it up a little bit because we can do that now that we have these mini twists in. Alright, so style number 1. So first of all, let me take these out. Alright. So by now, you guys should already have your twist installed, okay? So y'all supposed to be doing this with me. Y'all, let's look at the twist real quick just to see how we looking, how we flowing, okay? The twists are so shiny, y'all. Like, my hair is so doggone shiny and moisturized. I kid you not. To see what products I twisted with, click the video right before this one also. So I'm going in with my Adra Beauty oil because we do not touch our hair with our hands being dry, okay? That should be a pledge. I, Crystal Nicole Suggs, aka Curly Chris, do not touch my hair with my hands being dry. That's the Curly Chris pledge. Period, sis. Style number 1. So this is the style that I had initially. I like to leave some of mine hanging like on the sides too, just because it gives it like a little bit of a cuter look, I feel. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a scrunchie And just tie this right on up right here. Just like that, sis. And then let it overflow. Ooh. Girl, I done untwisted a twist. I'm getting Jada Pinkett vibes right now. Yes. Then I'm going to take one twist and wrap it in the front so that you can't really see the rubber band. And then tuck it back here. Alright, so of course this is like the most generic style, right? However, y'all, I love this style so much because it's so like chic, like chill, but like snatched, okay? And twists are just like falling wherever they want to naturally fall. And as you guys can see, you can't even tell I have a scrunchie right here because I put a twist to hide the fact that I do have a scrunchie on. So it looks like the twist is the scrunchie. So cute. I've been rocking this for like 3 days. Alright, let's move on to style number 2. So my twists are not really long enough, or they may be. I really want to like pull all of the twists up. Could leave like 2 or 3 hanging back there. Yes, sis! Absolutely love this style as well. I absolutely think this style is super, super cute. I love that I left one little twist back there to give it a little bit of edge, you know. And then I also pulled some of these out so that they can fall longer. And I love, once again, how they just fall where they want to naturally fall. Like, yes, I'm loving these mini twists. So many cute styles you can do with them. And of course, sis, make sure your edges are slayed, okay? Like, you cannot, listen, okay? The edges got to be slayed, sis. It just adds a little bit of oomph to the look, okay? A little bit of oomph, you know what I mean? All right, let's go on to style numero 3. Let's amp it up a little bit. So I'm gonna take all this, bring it to this side. Do I even need to put pins? Well, if you want it to stay, you do have to put pins. So I'm gonna put pins. So guys, with this style, I absolutely think it's so cute. Love this style as well. I'm gonna put numbers on these styles, and I want you guys to drop in the comment section down below which style you like the most with that number, okay? All right, let's move on. So now what we're gonna do is incorporate twists into these twists, okay? So I want to part my hair on this side, then I'm going to take the twist and start to twist towards the front. Then do the same thing on this side. And I'm basically just going to tuck my twist inside of the twist that I already made. Y'all, this is so cute. Wow. I can't put this on the spot and I love it. And my back may look a little messy. I just did this in like 2 minutes. So of course it'll look neater if you do it. But you're basically just tucking those ends in, okay? Y'all, look at how cute this is. I don't know why I'm getting bridal right now. I'm getting like a bridal hairstyle from this. but I freaking love this. This is so cute. This may be like my favorite one, honestly. Like, no lie, this may be my favorite. Okay, so I also want to go ahead and like show you guys how you can wear like a satin line cap with this style. Just simply put it on. So this is like how you can keep the rest of your hair protected by just putting a simple satin line beanie on. Your hair is protected. It's in the winter time. This is like my go-to, honestly, sis. Like whenever I don't feel like messing with my hair, even when it's not in twist, I just slap this on and I go because I just don't have time. But most definitely with the twist, it works perfectly. Okay, this is not sponsored or anything, but this is my Grace Aleye cap, and I just love these. I have so many of these. They need to go ahead and sponsor your girl. Okay. I have given them enough of free promotion. So let's move on to another style. This one I am simply going to undo this half of my head. And it's basically the other style that I did, but I just flipped it onto this side, and there's a twist on this side now. Alright, so now let's get into some more styles. So I'm going to put half of this on this part of my head again. And then I'm going to pull all of this back. But then we're just going to put this into a scrunchie and then put some bobby pins on this part right here to keep it out of my face because that's annoying. It's really all about just enjoying you and doing something that you gonna like, sis. Like, let's be honest, there's so many styles we can do with our hair, right? I'm just giving you some inspo for a few. But there's so many that we can do that's so cute, and if you love it, that's all that matters, period. All right, last and final style. So this is for my fun girls. And if you don't like this style, you ain't fun. Period. I said it. I sure did. Oh, and you know what? It's a little edgy. It is, but I like it. Serving you Spice Girl realness. All right, and lastly, we're gonna take these twists, ish, and twist them on up just like this. Ooh! This is the last and final look. So this is the last look, y'all. I think it's so cute, so edgy, fun. So in today's video, I'll give y'all fun, classy, edgy, all those things, okay? Styles you can wear to work, styles you can wear to a party, styles you can wear on a day-to-day basis, just going out, having fun, all those good things. Let me know what you guys think of all of these looks in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to drop which style is your favorite. Leave the number in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for supporting your girl. Once again, I really do appreciate y'all as always. I hope I gave y'all some cute styles. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace.